these things come as standard on these machines. Yeah,
that's fantastic.
I thought it was absolutely phenomenal when I watched it. Just as a basic package machine comes with such quality, you know, on there. It's not something you'd usually pay a lot more money for.
So we are here out on the shop floor at Precision Engineering, and I'm joined by Dave. So first off, Dave, thank you so much for sparing the time to talk with me today.
You're most welcome.
Now I'm interested to learn a little bit about why you invested in Hurco machines. So we know here you've got a VMX84i 3-axis machine, you've got 4 VM30i's, and you've got this beautiful TX10 MYI behind you. It's a bit of a mouthful, but you've invested heavily in these machines. Why? Why Hurco machines?
The interface is incredibly user-friendly. They're incredibly fast and powerful machines for the actual value of the machines, and we can really train people hard and really fast with them, picking up speed and knowledge in a relatively short amount of time.
Yeah.
Well, most of them is for food industries. We do some aircraft industries, but it's a massive range of things. A lot of it can be fabrication parts and quick to set up jobs, ranging from very complex and intricate parts that need a more multi-axis machining, and just general basic engineering, you know, work we need. So.
Walk me through your experience of going from what you used before to using conversational programming. How's that gone for you?
Oh, incredibly well. For 30 years I've been programming a vast range of different controllers, and they take a long time to get used to with the machines and everything, but with the Hurco system, it's so user-friendly and easy. It's minimum training, maximum output. Even to switch for somebody like me who had never used the Hurco system before, I was incredibly amazed at how fast and quick it is. You know, from getting from start to finish and setting these components up, it really does make a huge difference.
Yeah, and of course you've got, what, 6 machines here? 1, 2, 4, 5, yeah, 6 machines here.
Yeah.
They're all got the same controller on them.
Yes.
So you've got some flexibility here. So Jim, who's operating the lathe behind you,
yeah,
he can just as happily move over and drive the VM30 over
yeah,
to the side.
Yeah, it's literally that easy. And we also have multi-axis with 4-axis controls, and they're all generated off one thing with minimum training. It's the same way of thinking to go onto each machine. It does most of the work for you. It's very, very easy to use. I was incredibly scared, like most people, when you get out of your comfort zone into a new machine, even in an environment I'm used to, because they've taken you on to do certain jobs that you think you'd struggle with these sort of controllers. But I was up and running with them within weeks, and I've never had a control anywhere else on the board in 30 years where I was able to do that, even with the experience I've had. You know,
so you were quite resistant initially. It's like, this is a new thing for you.
Yeah,
and,
absolutely.
You know, we're of a certain age where change is challenging.
Yeah, absolutely. But I picked it up absolutely no problem. I'm sure everybody else will. It's absolutely phenomenal. It's taken engineering and programming into a completely revolutionary direction where it's not as complicated as it needs to be with other machines and controllers. You know, It's a really
brilliant,
really fast.
And so, in terms of that ongoing support that you've had from Hurco, you know, I know these machines were installed before you joined, but that ongoing maintenance, that ongoing support, what's that been like for you as well?
Very, very good. I mean, they're all mostly a phone call away if there is ever any problem. It's very, very minimal effort and problems we've had with any of these machines, really, compared to others I've been used to. You know, I think I've phoned them twice, which is something that I've done, not the machine itself. You know, and they're very, very friendly on the phone, and they help you through everything. It's been really good customer service, really good position. You know. I mean, since the first few months I've been here, it's just changing, it's getting faster and bigger. It's moving very, very fast now, and Hurco have a lot to do with the company as well as to why it's growing so fast. You know.
So I think it's safe to say you're a happy Hurco user.
Yes, I'm very happy. Yes, incredibly.
And the Precision team is very, very happy with that investment too.
Yes, yeah, very good choice of machines, really.
Wonderful. Well, look, we're going to talk more about these machines in a little bit of time, but first off, thank you so much, Dave. Really appreciate hearing from you. And let's go back and hear what Ryan has to say.
I'm Ryan Hanger, so I'm Director of FAM Group. The group at the moment serves a purpose to many industries. We have 3 businesses that we specialise in many different areas at the moment. So we have obviously Precision Engineering CNC, who are specialists in CNC machining.
Bit of a clue in the name, yeah.
Very much so. And we also have obviously the manuals that are still there because everybody still loves that old school engineering. We have TML Manufacturing, who specialise in sheet metal fabrication. We also have laser cutting within that as well. And we also have now, which is surface coating, which specialise in surface finishes such as wet painting and spraying, powder coating and blasting as well.
Now I can see that you've got a combination of processes that you support there, and I can see how they combine together to deliver real value to your customers. What kind of customers do you serve at the moment? What's your typical
So
industry?
really, we've got a wide range of customers throughout many industries. We specialise predominantly in packaging processing machinery. That's a real, it's been very good to us over the years. We also now work a lot in defence, as many companies do. Thanks to service coating, it's opened up to a lot of doors into aerospace. We also serve pharmaceutical, automotive, and sometimes even a little bit of agricultural. Being in the area that we are, the purpose of everything we do really is to continue to keep building on the different industries. As you know, with subcontract manufacturing, it can be very much feast and famine. So being able to work within all these different industries allows the guys in each individual business to have that constant flow of work then.
Okay.
And again, it just helps to always give that little bit of extra training and skill set in all these other areas, because you find out so much more as you're working through them as well.
You've invested heavily in a
Yes, we
variety of
have.
different machinery, and we're here really to talk about your investment in Hurco.
Yes.
So we've seen that you've got a number of Hurco 3-axis mills, CNC lathes. I'm intrigued to know why. What made you investigate Hurco? What was the problem that you needed to solve back in those days?
There was a multitude of problems for us at the time. I think going back to looking back on where that machine shop was, it was in severe need of investment regardless. We had, at the time, close to 7 or 8 machines, but they were all older. And it's very easy when you have the investment opportunity available to go, right, we'll just go buy any machine, let's get the biggest and best that we can. What we found from going to exhibition and shows and going to meet some of these suppliers of the machinery was really about, yes, the machinery itself has to be really good for what we want to do next, but it's also that feeling you get from them of a partnership, really. And that's how I've kind of looked at what's happened with Hurco now. It's not just a customer-supplier relationship, because that's how I want everything to work with all of our businesses. So for us with Hurco now, it's a partnership now. They're allowing us to invest in new technologies, innovation. You know, yes, we've started with the 3-axis machines, but that's already grown into so much more as well, as you've seen and will see today.
So I think what's really jumped out for me, we said earlier on, back in those days, and it's only a year ago, you had 7 different machines from 7 different suppliers with multiple different NC controller languages, which compromised your programming team.
Absolutely. As soon as somebody was off, you were in trouble.
And now you've standardised on a single platform, happens to be Hurco, and we've looked at the Winmax conversational programming tools that you've got out there, and that has standardised that across your entire team.
And that's what's brilliant as well, is we've got an excellent skill set out there who are capable of doing so many things, but having those machines all talking the same language, as you've seen with mills and lathes, so often in the past it's very much 2 separate things, but now we can, because of our partnership, we can send the guys off to training with Hurco. It's all the same programming. So now we have guys within that workshop with multi-skill. If somebody's off, it doesn't matter. We can keep producing, we can keep working, and with that increased productivity that we've got from the Hurcos already, just by investing in the machines themselves, added now to the added skill set it's given our guys, that's allowed us, again, productivity is great, but it's also allowed, what leads into with customers is that trust. And our trust with our customers also is giving us more trust with Hurco. And that's why I say the partnership just keeps growing.
Fascinating. Well, look, thank you again for your time. It's been fascinating to come down here and see your facility. And with that, I hope you've enjoyed this video. We look forward to seeing you in the next one.